ako, narito naman po tayo para pag-aralan muli ang tungkol po sa calculus about the product rule of differentiations. Now, let us have another examples on how are we going to find or to solve for these given expressions. First and foremost, we have first to determine the first and the second functions. Of course, our first function is we have here this is our first function, which is also equivalent to f of x. This is our second function, which is equals to equivalent to your g of x. That is very important for us since we are going to find out for the derivative of every functions for the first and the second functions. So it's time for us to substitute the given expressions by finding their first derivative. Also, it is very easier for us to find if we have identified the first and the second functions of the given expression. Now, to solve, the first step is just to copy this. Since it is equivalent to f of x, then we have to find for the derivative of the second function, that is equals to 2 times 2, that is equals to 4. Then we have subtracted here 1. So that's equal to raised to the first power. Then next is it is added by the second function, which is equals to 2x squared minus 4. Then multiplied by the derivative of the first function. So that is equals to 2 times 2. That is equal to 2 times 2, that is equals to 4. Then again minus 1. So this will become 1 here. Then we have the derivative of 5x is always equals to 5. Since we have here 1, if we multiply this, this will become 5. Then if we subtract 1, this will become x raised to 0. And any number or variable raised to 0 is always equals to 1. In short, this will become in this form. So magiging ganito itsura nun kung bakit naging 5 na lang ating sagot. So this is multiplied by 1. Kaya ang ating maging sagot is still 1. Now, since we have already substituted our first derivative of the first and the second functions, at this time we're now going to simplify or solve the given expressions by distribution or by simplifying the remaining expressions. So we have to multiply 4x times 2x squared. We just multiply here this will become 8x cubed, and again multiply 5x multiplied by 4x, that is equals to 20x squared. Multiply 4x times 6, that is equals to 24x. Then we have the plus sign. Then we have to multiply 4x times 2x squared is equals to 8x squared. We have multiply 4x multiplied by negative 4, that is equals to negative 16x. Then multiply positive 5 times 2x squared, that is equals to, it should be 10x squared. And we have to multiply for the last time 5 times negative 4, that is equals to negative 20. Now, after we have distributed the given expressions, we're now going to find out for the final answer. But before we go through the final answer, we have first to take a look if there are some terms that are can be cancelled out. So, for instance, I have here to cancel out 8x cubed. Can we cancel out? No. We have just to add that number. So that is 8x cubed plus 8x cubed, that is equals to 16. We have to combine like terms whenever possible. Then I have 20x squared. Do we have a partner here? And 10x squared, that is equals to 30x squared. Then we have 24x and 16x squared. Since different in signs, we have to subtract, and that would give us an 8x. Then we have the remaining number, which is the constant, is 20. Thus, this is our final answer for our